Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today, we are bringing you a powerful, aggressive and futuristic machine, the Inferno Blade 700. This car is designed for those who want extreme performance, bold style and cutting-edge technology all in one package. From the moment it arrives on the road, the Inferno Blade 700 captures attention with its sharp lines, dominating stance and next-level aerodynamics. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of speed, precision and modern engineering at its finest. The exterior of the Inferno Blade 700 is built with pure aggression and aerodynamic mastery. The razor-edged LED headlights give the car a fierce identity, lighting the road with crystal-clear intensity. Slim DRLs add a futuristic glow while the sculpted hood and muscular fenders showcase the true strength of this beast. The rear design is equally striking, featuring a massive diffuser and quad exhaust system that not only look bold but also enhance performance and stability at high speeds. Built with lightweight carbon fiber panels, the car delivers better acceleration, quicker response and improved handling. Inside the Inferno Blade 700, the cabin gives you the experience of a true sports machine blended with luxury. Premium leather bucket seats with contrast stitching hold you firmly during fast drives while giving maximum comfort. The full digital dashboard provides real-time information, including performance stats, driving modes and navigation with crystal clarity. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a modern atmosphere, enhancing the overall driving mood. The flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals and carbon trims make the interior feel like a cockpit built for speed enthusiasts. When we talk about performance, the Inferno Blade 700 stands in a league of its own. Powered by a highly tuned engine delivering massive horsepower, this car accelerates like a rocket, pushing you back into your seat with every press of the pedal. Multiple driving modes allow you to switch from calm cruising to full power performance instantly. The advanced suspension system keeps the car stable even at extreme speeds, ensuring confidence in every turn. Combined with high-performance brakes, the Inferno Blade 700 gives you complete control and safety, even during intense driving sessions. Technology in this machine is on another level. You get a smart infotainment system with seamless connectivity, voice command features and a premium sound experience designed for long journeys. Safety is enhanced with sensors, cameras, lane assist, traction control and advanced crash protection. Every feature in this car is built to elevate your driving experience while keeping you secure on the road. Overall, the Inferno Blade 700 is a complete package for anyone who loves speed, design and innovation. It brings together power, luxury and futuristic engineering in a way that redefines what a modern performance car should be. If you're passionate about cars that create an unforgettable presence on the road, then this one is made for you. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.